Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop get-by or make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks. Spray lubes and penetrating oils are a staple of any shop. But what happens when you're working with one in a hard-to-reach place? Well, what you can do is you basically take the straw, you cut it in half, and then you get some fuel line from any auto parts store or a lot of hardware stores. You cut it to a length, you take an awl and ream it out a little bit, and then you insert the hose into the fuel line. Now, the next time you have to reach a hard-to-reach spot in an engine cavity, you can do so with your flexible straw. Are you like me and always losing the straws that come with penetrating fluid or spray lube? Well, I've tried taping them on, as you can see, and that's cool for a while. But oftentimes what happens is the tape loses its grip, and now you've lost the straw. What I did was create handy little straw holders. Basically, take the tape off, and I find these little office rubber bands. You can get them at any office supply store, and they work great. You can put one or two on, great for holding the straw. But if you want to create the ultimate super straw, you can do that with inner tubing, such as this from a bike or small tires. You slip it on over the can. You might have to stretch the inner tube a bit so they'll fit over the can. Now you've created a super secure hold and no more lost straws. We would love to hear about your shop shortcuts, tips, or make-dos. Send us your shop hack. If we use it on the show or in Successful Farming Magazine, we're going to pay you a $200 reward. Send us a detailed description and images to the link below. I'll see you again next time on another shop hack. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.